In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color behind text in Figma using a quick and simple method. This is perfect for making your design stand out and adding that extra touch of flair to your projects. So let's dive in and get started right away. First things first, we're going to create a frame. Think of the frame as your digital workspace in Figma, where all your design elements will reside. It's a versatile feature that helps you organize and manage your design components efficiently. To get started, click on the Frame tool or simply press F on your keyboard. Once you've done that, you'll see your cursor change, prompting you to draw a frame on the canvas. Just click and drag to create a frame that fits your intended design. Remember, don't worry too much about getting the size perfect just yet. You can always adjust it later by clicking on the frame's borders and dragging to resize. Next up, we'll add the text. The text tool is what you'll need, and you can select it by pressing T or by clicking on the text icon in the toolbar. After selecting the tool, click inside the frame you just created and start typing. It could be anything, your project's title, a catchy caption, or just placeholder text for now. This is where you really start to bring your design to life with words. The text is an essential part of your design as it communicates the core message. So take your time to make sure it fits the style you're going for. Once your text is in place, you'll want to make sure it looks just right. Use the corner handles to resize your text box or head over to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. Here you can adjust the font size, style, and even the text alignment until everything looks perfect to you. It's all about making sure that your design conveys the right message with the right impact. This step allows you to experiment with different font combinations and alignments that can enhance the overall aesthetic and readability. Now let's give the frame a splash of color. Click on the frame itself, not the text, to select it. On the right-hand side, you'll notice the Properties panel again. This time, focus on the Fill section. This is where you can change the color of your frame and therefore adjust the background behind your text. Click on the color swatch within the Fill section, which opens up options for customizing your background color. With the Fill option open, it's time to pick a color. You can choose from the default colors provided or get creative by selecting a custom color from the Color Picker tool. As soon as you make your choice, you'll see the background of your frame update instantly. This creates a vibrant and engaging backdrop for your text, making it stand out beautifully on your canvas. And there you have it. You've just learned how to easily add a background color to text in Figma. A super simple yet effective way to enhance your designs and make them pop. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for quick design tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy designing!